international symbol for I want that? Thank you, Mommy. Oh, you're supposed to say thank you, not no. Okay, I got it. Say thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy. Who would ever have so much fun with a bottle of baby oil? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Thank you, Mommy. What was that? Ava, can you shake your hair? Oh, it's so long. Shake your hair. Shake it in the wind. You little tinkerer. If you were a fairy, you'd be a Tinkerbell fairy. Because you love to tinker. Little tinker. Alright, honey. Can you say goodbye? Any last parting words?
Not that.
Bottle. Can you shake your hair? Shake your hair.
Dada.
Mama?